Hey YouTube, this is Nas Love by Nas Beauty. Today I am bringing you guys a very quick recipe, very easy and delicious. So we're gonna start on the ingredient. We do have lemon juice, mayo, honey, honey mustard. I'm sorry, Dijon mustard. So it says honey Dijon mustard. So or the regular Dijon mustard will do the job. So right here I do have a bowl. It's a glass bowl. You could use any bowl you have on hand. So I already have like a teaspoonful, like a kitchen teaspoon tablespoon of mayo. I do have so this is mayo, this is the honey Dijon mustard, and this is the regular honey. So you're gonna go ahead and mix all your ingredients together. This will be our like a chicken marinade. We're gonna marinate this right here with our chicken. So you're gonna mix it and go ahead, remove your sauce for later on, like you're gonna use it to eat your chicken with. So here I do have just a simple onion powder and a garlic powder. This is the kosher salt, and right here I do have the chicken. It's already cleaned, cut off the fat, clean it. It's a chicken breast, so divide it in the middle and make a clean, nice cut the way it looks like. Don't season it. I just wash it with lemon, lemon, and get it ready to be seasoned. So that's the oil. Once it get hot, this is the chicken, and we're gonna go ahead and start the frying process. So it's ready to take it out. So be careful on frying on the high heat, because of the honey. It's gonna make it's gonna look like it's getting burned. Okay, the chicken is finished frying. This is how it look like. So you put it in your baking tray, sit it in there, and over here I have a pan. It's already preheat. I'm gonna go ahead and cut my onion. So I have one onion there. I'm gonna cut it and put it inside there, and then add some mushroom. Okay, so this recipe, we're gonna fry our mushroom. You're gonna saute your mushroom. So you put a pan on the stove. When it get hot, put oil, saute maybe your onion and garlic, and then go ahead, saute your mushroom together with like mix it with the onion and all that. Once it's ready, set it on the side. And here is the cheese that we're gonna use to put on top of our chicken. So we're gonna ensemble the cheese. Once we cook the chicken, we're gonna put the mushroom on top of the chicken and the bacon. Here's the bacon. My bacon, it's already ready. It's I bought it cooked already. But if you don't have cooked bacon, you could go ahead and fry yours and have them ready. So this right here, you can do it and then set them on the side until it's time to ensemble them. So it's like making a lasagna, like a chicken lasagna, but only this one will contain chicken on the bottom. You put it in the pan that will go in your oven. So you put the chicken, you put the mushroom, the bacon on the top, and the cheese. Set it in your oven and put 30 minutes, I think. And once it's ready, hey, you have your chicken. You could have your French fries as a side dish to go along with your your recipe, or you could have potato, you know, boiled potato with butter, put some onion and onion powder, garlic powder, and some you know, little butter, mix it, you know, ready to go. Okay. So right now it's the assembling moment. So we're putting mushroom right on top of the chicken. I'm trying to drain like some excessive amount of oil. This mushroom do taste so amazing, so delicious. You won't even believe that it's from a cane, you know. So once you finish putting the mushroom, and we're gonna go ahead and put some bacon. This is some bacon, laying it out like that on top of the chicken, or on top of the mushroom. And we'll be right back. So far this is how your food will look like. And right now we're putting the cheese, which is this one, the Italian style. You could use mozzarella or whatever cheese you have on. So this is how it looks like. You open your oven, you preheat it, you know, 350 Fahrenheit, how you say, Fahrenheit degree, and then you grab your tray, and voila, put it in there. Usually I do not set the time. Since it's preheat, I will just watch it until the cheese it's melted. So about 10-15 minutes. It doesn't need to stay in there for so long. You just need to melt the cheese. Everything is already cooked. Okay, moment of the truth. I have to wear the glove to pull this out, oh, so I don't get burned. So this is the finished. So this is how it looks like. It looks like a pizza or like lasagna, but it's chicken, mushroom, and bacon and cheese. So here you have it. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, thumbs out or thumbs up, leave a comment below, and if you have a suggestion about any recipe that you could like for me to try for you guys, go ahead. Don't feel do not hesitate. Do not hesitate. Just enjoy. It's very, very, very delicious. And this is when the sauce comes to play. So I did show you guys to remove some sauce. Remember, voila. So you're gonna put some sauce on the side. When you cut your chicken, you dunk it in a sauce. So delicious. So thank you so much for subscribing to this YouTube channel, and see you in the more video to come. Bye bye.